Hi, good morning everyone. So today's video is all about how yoga will be helpful for a long bike ride journey. So today we are traveling from Hyderabad to Pune, which is around 560 kilometers on a bike. And although my channel is only related to yoga videos, but I thought this is a good opportunity to share with all the riders, with all the long travelers, that how doing some good stretches for their back, shoulders, for their legs can provide comfort during long travels. So I will be showing you some videos of how I prepare myself before the journey, and also during the journey I'll try to keep doing these stretches so that the ride is comfortable because it's very long. So yeah, hope to see you on the journey. Stay tuned.
So we are starting by stretching our toes into Tadasana, stretching our complete body. Now stretching our shoulders, our arms, complete arm rotation, both the sides. And then we are stretching our thighs inwards and outwards. Then we are doing some ankle stretching because ankle stretching would be required a lot during the rides as well, so that our ankles don't get jammed. So yeah, and then some back bending because most of the time sitting on the bike cause back pain. So back bending is very important. Then we are doing some forward bending. Forward bending is good for your back and for your legs as well. Gives a good stretch on your legs. So some forward bending. Now we are doing knee rotation so that our knees don't pain while sitting for the longer time. This is also kind of exercise for our knees and for our legs. Now I am doing some advanced yoga asana practice for the complete body stretch where I am doing the different variations of warrior pose. Now I'm doing low lunge for stretching of my thighs and legs, going into the lizard pose for more stretch in my legs. I'll be doing this on the both the sides, different side of legs. Now half split. This is also a very good stretch for your inner thighs because sitting on the bike for longer time cause a lot of pain in your legs. Now I'm doing some mild cat and cow for some relief in the back. Now repeating the same stretches for my left leg, going into the lizard pose, deep stretching for the legs, opening around the hips, around the thighs. Now time to get ready for the ride, getting on the bike jacket. Safety is very important while riding, so ensuring that we are having all the gears on. Now we are putting our knee guards. Elbow guards are already there in the jacket. So now putting on the knee guards, and now as you can see, it's early in the morning. It's around 6 in the Hyderabad. Yeah, and it's completely dark, so it'll be fun. And now we are starting our ride, taking our bike out from the parking. And three, two, one, here we go. It was fun riding in the morning. The roads were very nice, empty roads. Stopped in the middle for some leg stretching because my legs started paining while driving. So thought to take a stop and do some mild stretches, and then we started again. Luckily there was not much traffic we found on the road. The roads were also very nice. Stopped for our lunch now, hydrating while we were waiting for our lunch. Did some mild rotations for your shoulders, arms, back. I'm doing cat and cow while sitting because I was tired. I didn't want to get up and do the stretching, so I was doing it while sitting on the chair itself. So, cat and cow, and now just a tight hug for our shoulders. Doing this actually helps in giving you relief in your arms and in your shoulders as well. Now, because my shoulders were paining, I did this Gomukhasana hands position. This gave a very good stretch on the shoulders and arms, both the arms and shoulders at the time, and also helped me to keep my back active and straight. Now, after this, some sweet mild rotation with the help of the chair on the both sides. And then our lunch came. We enjoyed the lunch and went back on the road. On the way, also, when I was sitting behind, I was doing these stretching of my ankles. Again, we had stopped in between. We took actually multiple stops for our stretching, and that's the secret of our long journey. And we reached home without any pain in 12 hours.